Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a creamy broccoli soup. So I've got a large soup pot here with some oil in the bottom. It's just to the smoke point, so we're ready to start adding in our carrot, celery, and onion, otherwise known as a mirepoix, which is a classic base for most soup stocks or sauces. So we're going to go in first with our onions, celery, and our carrots. I'm going to season this. Okay, so we're going to saute our mirepoix together until we just start to see a hint of color on it. So we're going to do this relatively on high heat for the time being. And we'll just keep coming back, giving it a stir, making sure nothing's burning or sticking to the bottom. And when you're making a soup that you know that you're going to puree ahead of time, your knife cuts aren't as important. As long as everything's the same size, doesn't matter what shape, because it's all going to get blended up anyway. So keep that in mind. Don't stress over making everything super precise, as long as it's all the same size so that it cooks at the same time. Okay, our onions have softened. So I'd say we're about ready. We can go ahead and add in our chicken stock and our water. I'm going to go water first. Go in with chicken stock. Okay. And we're going to go in with our broccoli and our rice. Give this all a good stir. Now we're going to cover this and let it come up to a boil. If it comes up to a boil, you want to stir it really good, and then we will reduce the heat and let it simmer away for 10-15 minutes. So our soup has simmered away here. I'm going to take the immersion blender. If you don't have one of these, you can let this cool. You can add it bit by bit to your food processor and blend it up that way. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the immersion blender here. I'm going to begin to pulse this up. All right, so once you get this down to a nice creamy consistency, you can add in the milk and your cheese, which is going to melt with the leftover heat. We're going to pulse it up a little bit more, incorporate all that. All right, so it's nice and smooth. All right, so we're ready to plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.